Subtract and simplify if possible. Y over 2y minus 14 minus 1 over y squared minus 14y plus 49. We're going to start by factoring each of the denominators to help us find the LCD. The first denominator, 2y minus 14, has a GCF of 2 that can be pulled out, with leftovers y minus 7. The second denominator is a perfect square trinomial. It is actually y minus 7 times y minus 7, or y minus 7 squared. Now, in finding the LCD, if we look at the first denominator, there's a factor of 2, so we know that the LCD has to contain a factor of 2. If we look at the first denominator again, there's also a y minus 7. However, the other denominator has y minus 7 appearing twice. Because the LCD needs to include each factor the most number of times it appears within a denominator, this means that the LCD has to contain 2 factors of y minus 7. So it's going to be 2 times y minus 7 times y minus 7. We can also write this as 2 times y minus 7 squared. Either one of these will work. Now, we need to rewrite these fractions so that both of them have the common denominator. In the first one, we have the 2, but we only have one of the y minus 7s. So we're going to need another factor of y minus 7 so that it has the LCD. But if we multiply the bottom by y minus 7, we also have to multiply the top by y minus 7. In the second denominator, we have y minus 7 times y minus 7. That is clearly missing the 2. So in this case, we have to multiply the bottom and the top by 2. Once we've done this, we have the LCD, and we can proceed. We need to expand the numerator, and so we need to distribute that y. Y times y is y squared, minus y times 7 is 7y, all over 2 times y minus 7 times y minus 7. And then we also have minus 2 times 1 is 2, all over 2 times y minus 7 times y minus 7. Now we can do the subtractions. In the numerators, we've got y squared minus 7y minus 2, all over 2 times y minus 7 times y minus 7. If we try and factor the numerator, unfortunately, we can't do that. There are not two integers that have a product of negative 2 and a sum of negative 7. So we can't factor the top, and there's nothing that the top and bottom have in common, which means that this is our final answer. This is one of those examples where nothing cancels, it doesn't reduce, and we're left with what we're left with.